Hi everyone! Welcome back to Technic Force Learning. In today's video, I'll show you how to add effects, duets, and challenges on TikTok. Let's get started. First off, add effects. Effects are used to customize and add details to your TikTok videos. Effects can be added before and after you record a video, but some effects are only available before recording, and others are only available after. Now, to shoot a video with an effect, first open your TikTok app. On the middle of your navigations button, click on the Create button, the plus icon. Now, tap Effects, located left of the red recording button in the camera screen. Next, you will see various categories of effects. Preview the effects and make a selection. Then, tap on the recording screen and begin creating your video. Just like this one. I've recorded a video using an effect. Now you can also add filters. To add a filter to your video, tap Filters located on the right side of the screen. Then select your filter you would like to use. And begin creating your video. Next we have adding effects after recording. You can shoot your video, and when it's done, you can tap on Effects and select one. You can also add text, located at the bottom of the editing screen. You can select the desired font and customize the color of your text and background. Then tap Done. You can position your text. Tap and drag to move the text to a desired spot on your video. To change the text size, pinch or zoom in on the text and adjust your desired text size. You can also add a sticker or an emoji. Tap on Stickers located at the bottom of the editing screen. Select Stickers or Emojis tab, or search for an animated GIFs. Then, tap to make your selection. Then drag to move your animation to a desired spot on the video. And take note, multiple text and stickers can be added to one video. To delete a text or sticker, long press the text or sticker you would like to delete. Then, move it to the top of the video and the delete icon will appear. Move the text or the sticker to the icon until it turns red. Then the item will be deleted. Now I'll show you how to do a duet on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app and find the video you want to duet with. You can pick one from the For You page or following page, or go to Discover and type in the title of the video. Now, if you have selected the video, at the bottom of the sidebar menu on the right, tap the Sharing button. It looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Next thing you want to do, you will see a duet icon. If it's grayed out, it means the person has disabled duets on their account. But if it's not grayed out, you can tap on it and do your duet video. Now, tap the red button at the bottom of the screen to start recording your video. Yours will appear on the left side, and the other person's will appear on the right side. When you're finished, tap the check mark on the right of the recording symbol. Check your duet to make sure it is to your liking, then add any stickers or effects you may want. And post it like you would with any other TikTok video. And that's how you do duets on TikTok. Now let's move on how to join a challenge. TikTok is where those social challenges and trends originated from. It is full of popular music that creator can use at any time. Users can also choose to post a video with their own sound, which can be reused by others when shooting their clip. Now, when joining a TikTok challenge, you can do two things. First, use the correct trending audio in your video. And use a relevant hashtag in your caption. You can also search for a specific hashtag on the Discover page. Or, if you see a video doing the challenge, you can tap on the hashtag they used, and you will see all the videos related to it. Now on the bottom of your screen, you will see a red button, or use this sound, or join the challenge button. Click on it, and it will immediately direct you to the recording camera, where you can do your challenge. Now continue on making your video. After that, you will see the hashtag of the challenge added to your description. You can add more and tag the user. Then, post it on your TikTok. And that is how you add effects, duets, and challenges on TikTok. Go ahead and try it out for yourself, and let me know what you think on the comments down below. And before this video ends, did you know that you can get a software that gets perfect titles, descriptions, tags, and hashtags, and tells you which keywords are hard to rank and which are easy? It can get the exact optimizations that you need to rank on number 1. You can keep collections of your favorite channels, videos, tags, and hashtags, and optimize any videos in minutes, not hours. And that is TubeRank G4. Stop being in the background and get your number 1 rankings plus traffic with TubeRank G4. It's a powerful video SEO optimization in minutes. It's the easiest YouTube ranking and traffic system invented, with just 3 steps. Step 1. Identify the keywords you want to rank. Step 2. Follow TubeRank G's instruction. And Step 3. Enjoy the traffic. So, try TubeRank G4 now. Go to tubeRankG.com. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.